wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best indoor grow kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the window garden So Much Fun is perfect for teaching children how to cultivate life indoors. The kit includes 3 pots, soil, the choice of 2 different specimen varieties, and it's self-watering, so there's less chance of failure. It comes bundled with stickers, however the containers aren't very strong, and note that the seeds aren't guaranteed to germinate. At number 9, the Ezorkas grow light is ideal for those who just need a little extra lighting on a few indoor planters. The kit comes with 3 LED fixtures on bendable metal poles, so you can point them wherever you want. It can be powered by USB or the mains and comes with a built-in timer, but it's not as robust as some other options. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the EcoLife Conservation EcoCycle works with a standard 20-gallon freshwater fish tank and uses a practice called aquaponics. This closed ecosystem makes use of the nitrates in the waste of aquatic life as nutrients for plants to develop. It's equipped with programmable LEDs and ideal for classrooms. However, note that it doesn't include any animals. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for indoor grow kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the VIVOSUN grow tent has a mylar lining that traps heat effectively, and a waterproof cloth exterior. A section peels back to reveal a window so you can see the progress of your plants inside the chamber. It's available in various sizes with a removable floor tray, but it doesn't include a lamp. Moving up our list to number 6, the topogrow 2-in-1 has 2 separate chambers, which allows you to propagate seedlings and keep plants in their vegetation phases simultaneously. This enables you to have a nursery and a full growth section in the same place, which is ideal for those with limited room. It comes with a thick outer layer, a steel pole frame, and 3 different growing areas. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Click and Grow Smart Garden is an all-in-one system that lets you cultivate plants anywhere you can fit it. The company offers several pre-seeded pods that you can purchase and place inside. You then just add water and it will do the rest. There's a complimentary app to track the process, and it comes packaged with 3 varieties, but the light can't be moved. At number 4, the Atwater Hydro Pot includes net cups, wall rock starters, and nutrients for creating a plant that bears food. Note that this model will need a lamp if you want to use it indoors. It can be used outside and comes bundled with a pH tester and ceramic growth rocks. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the topogrow grow tent is perfect for beginners and experts alike, as it's got everything required to start a crop, including a full spectrum LED light, a fan, and a filter to ensure your plants are well lit and ventilated. It's equipped with a strong metal frame and ratcheting mounts for components. It's available in several sizes and wattages. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for indoor grow kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the AeroGarden Bounty is great for those who don't have a lot of time to tend to their crops. After inserting the pods into the planter body and watering them, it needs minimal upkeep, and the lamp on top telescopes so you can increase the height as your plants develop. This one's compatible with Amazon Echo and includes several seed starters. It's available in 4 colors. And taking the top spot on our list, the bloomgrow tent kit has everything you need to cultivate plants indoors, including a lamp that self-dissipates its heat, so you don't have to purchase a fan to keep your setup from getting too hot. And it also comes with a digital hygrometer to track the humidity. Double stitches prevent light leaks, and it features netting for vines and a 24-hour dual-outlet timer. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for indoor grow kits, or simply click beneath this video.